Welcome to the future of working. The way we all go about our business has changed forever. So to help you stay ahead of your game, we've had to rethink the way we do things. The result is a fully interactive experience across all our specialist areas, designed to help you achieve your business goals. In our cafe area, you can taste the difference good coffee beans make and choose the right machine for your organisation. Or try our different workspace setups to find the best fit for your business, from furniture that takes you higher to technology that allows you to go further. We'll also help you make meetings more productive, whether you're in the same space physically or virtually. We've got all the education tools and technology you need to inspire the next generation, including STEAM products to help you teach students how to build and code. In the industrial area, you'll learn the secrets of smart packaging with sustainable solutions to protect your precious goods, like our recyclable temperature-controlled liner, designed to keep food cold and fresh. Or our automated carton sealer machine. Discover the right PPE gear and safety equipment for your industry, plus a wide range of products that will protect your team from head to toe. Our specialists will demonstrate innovative cleaning solutions that can save you money and give you back valuable time. They'll explain hygiene products that don't miss a beat in the toughest of times. It's all waiting for you. OfficeMax. Let's get it done together.